Hello, my name is Aaron Phillips, and I'm the co-founder of Supreme Disinfecting Services. We started Supreme out of the need for a better, safer, and more reliable service to protect our loved ones from the negative effects of COVID-19. What sets us apart from our competition is the solution that we use, personal touch, and our experienced staff. Our disinfectant is non-rinse, food contact surface sanitizer, so safe to use in homes, nurseries, hospitals, kitchen, and around pets. The training we provide for our personnel exceeds recommended training requirements by the EPA and CDC. The way COVID-19 has changed our everyday lives, your personal health and safety comes first. Supreme Disinfecting Services here 24/7, 365 days a year. And for more information, reach out to us on our website or call us at 855-565-4377. Together we can protect our loved ones one application at a time. Take care.